Hello, Namaste to all. I sing the prayer welcome you all to On Divine Healing channel, and today I'm recording for this whole which is from Monday till Sunday. And I'm going to use two card deck, and the first card deck which I'm going to use is Daily Guidance from Your Angel card deck, and the second is Everyday Peace card. And I'll start reading from the first deck, and the first card is Release and Surrender. We shower you with the blessings of our radiance love. Open your arms and release the challenges that you have held right gripped within your hands. Open your hands, arms, and heart to our love and assistance. Let's see what it means, the meaning to this card is. The angels bring this card to you because you have been trying to fix the situation single-handedly. They would love to help you and answer your prayers, but first you need to surrender and release the situations. Surrender simply means that you are tired of struggling. It means emotionally letting go with faith that divine wisdom of spirit, which includes your higher self, can do a better job. Surrender doesn't mean that you are giving up or that you want to be controlled. Through surrender, you will be assured of a better outcome. If you need help with surrender, ask the angels to assist you. Additional meaning for this card is, don't worry about how your prayers will be answered. Let God figure out the details. Be willing to ask for help. Release tension and the need to control, and things will go better. Avoid power struggles in the relationship. Simply own your power and you won't have to fight for it. The card, relationship. Your primary relationship is with yourself and God, and every other relationship follows from there. To attract health or balance a relationship, then struggle more closely with your loving Creator. As you feel safe and loved within, so shall your other relationships bloom and prosper. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, this card signals that you are entering a more positive phase in your relationships. As the picture on the card shows, you are now out of the forest and entering an area filled with light and beauty. Like the angel portrayed on the card, you just need to hang on a little while longer. Additional meanings for this card. The answer to your question lies within your relationship. Trust your feelings about your current relationship and act accordingly. The angels are helping you manifest a wonderful new relationship. Send light, love, and angels to your present relationship. A positive transition is occurring in a current relationship, which could include a healthy ending. Another card, steady progress. We acknowledge you for the progress you have made in remembering love in your daily activities. We can clearly see the contribution you are making to the world through your thoughts, feeling, and action of love. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, you drew this card as reassurance that you are making steady progress. You sometimes harshly compare yourself to others and feel that you should be further ahead on your path by now. Yet look how far you have come, how many lessons you have learned, and how many people you have helped. Focus on your progress instead of expecting perfection from yourself. Each day, take at least one small action step concerning a project that you are passionate about. Additional meaning for this card, you are on the right path, even if it feels that you are moving slowly. Praise the light instead of cursing the darkness. Appreciate yourself. Another card, listen. Quiet your mind, beloved one, and listen to your gentle reassurance that everything has been taken care of. Stay in a quiet and receptive state without worrying about the exact nature of your desire manifestation. A quiet mind and body hears as quickly as clearly. This is our request to you. Listen. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is, you receive this card because the angel wish to get their messages through. They ask that you talk less and listen more. When you are stressed, we tend to chatter out of nervousness. Give your worries to the angels and trust that they have heard your prayers. If it seems they are not answering your prayers, it's probably because you are not listening to their answers. So retreat to a quiet place with the intention of listening to your angels. Then close your eyes, breathe deeply, and listen. Additional meaning for this card. Avoid noisy environments. You have been hearing your angels correctly. Turn off the television or radio. Your hearing is becoming more sensitive because you have been tuning in to the angels. Clear your ear chakras by visualizing light, clearing the area above each eyebrow. Another card. Have confidence. Moving forward does not necessarily require you to have confidence in yourself. Confidence in God is enough, along with knowing that God works through you and with you in all ways. Lean upon as if your confidence waves, and we will build your courage and faith. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is. This card is a message from your angels saying you can do it. Trust that you have all the ingredients it takes to complete the missions that's before you. Although you may not completely understand how you will fulfill this task, have faith that you will be continually guided. The more you can depersonalize this mission and know that it's not about you, the better. Don't listen to the voice that asks, who, me? You are utterly worthy, since you are a perfect daughter or son of the Creator, and the angels surround you every step of the way. Additional meaning for this card. Stay in the moment and focus on one step at a time. Give all worries or concerns to God and the angels. Ask the angels to increase your faith. Trust that God's love and wisdom are working through you. Last but not the least, change in direction. The change you are experiencing are divinely directed by your newborn willingness to open your heart to love and our guidance. You are protected now and in the future. So follow your path to the happy outcomes you desire. Let's see what it means. The meaning to this card is. This card signifies a child is affecting some aspect of your passion. This could be your own child, your desire for a child, or a young family member, or your present or future work is helping children. Have children been on your mind lately? If so, this card is proof that whatever you have been considering is valid. This includes spending more time with children and looking into areas of employment related to young ones. Additional meaning for this card. Your life purpose involves helping children. Be as a child. Pay attention to your inner child. A child in heaven is saying, I love you. Pregnancy or adoption might be a part of your life. Now we start reading cards from another deck, and the first card is I am here for you, which means the heart of Buddhist practice is to generate our own presence in such a way that we can touch deeply the life that is here and available in every moment. We have to be here for ourselves. We have to be here for the people we love. We have to be here for life with all its wonder. The message of our Buddhist practice is simple and clear. I am here for you. Another card. Everything is impermanent. It means when we look deeply at the nature of things, we see that in fact everything is impermanent. Nothing exists as a permanent. Everything changes. It is said that we cannot step into the same river twice. If you look for a single permanent eternity, a river, we will not find it. The same is true for our physical body. There is no such thing as self, no absolute, permanent eternity to be found in the element we call body. In our ignorance, we believe that there is a permanent entity in us, and our pain and suffering manifest on the basis of that ignorance. If we touch deeply the non-self nature in us, we let go of our suffering. Another card. A summary of the part, which means mindfulness brings concentration. Concentration brings insight. Insight liberates you from your ignorance, your anger, your cravings. When you are free from your affections, happiness becomes possible. How can you be happy when you are overloaded with anger, ignorance, and cravings? That is why the insight that can liberate you from these affections is the key of happiness. Another card. The lamp of mindfulness. It means we have a lamp inside us, the lamp of mindfulness, which we can light anytime. The oil of that lamp is our breathing, our step, and our peaceful smile. We have to light up the lamp of mindfulness so the light will shine out and the darkness will dissipate and cease. Our practice is to light up the lamp. Another card. Lost in thought. It means in our daily life, we are often lost in thoughts. We get lost in regrets about the past and fears about the future. We get lost in our plans, our anger, and our anxiety. At such moments, we cannot really be here for ourselves. We are not really here for life. Practice makes it possible for us to be free to rid ourselves of these obstacles and establish ourselves firmly in the present moment. Practice gives us methods as we can use to help us live fully in the present. Last but not the least, bringing body and mind together. It means it only takes a few seconds of mindful breathing for your body and mind to begin to come back together again. It is very easy. You just concentrate on your in breath and on your out breath. You don't think about anything else. The past, the future, your worries, your anger, and your despair are not there anymore. Only one thing is there. Your in breath and your out breath. Go ahead and enjoy breathing for 20 minutes just being here. You are here and you have nothing to accept. Enjoy mindful breathing. So this was the card reading for this whole week. I hope you guys like it. I want to say thank you guys for coming and watching this video. I hope you guys like it. I want to say to all my subscribers, people who are helping me to make this video and people who are inspiring to make this video, thank you all of you. So till I see you next time, I Sangeeta Patel, take your leave with lots of love, light and energy blessings. Namaste.